You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these names correctly. If you want to learn more confusing names, including Sanskrit Indian names, stay tuned. Generally a girl's name of Indian origin. Talent given by God or beloved is the meaning. Prisha is the Indian pronunciation. How to pronounce in India? Prisha. Prisha. In English, the pronunciation. How to pronounce Prisha. Prisha or Prisha. Do you pronounce it any other ways? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.